Counties owe Kenya Power 5.6 billion shillings. Let that sink in. While ordinary Kenyans are buying tokens daily, counties across the country owe Kenya Power 5.6 billion shillings in unpaid electricity bills, according to a report by the Auditor General. So here's the uncomfortable question. If counties don't pay, who eventually carries the cost? You, businesses, households, through higher tariffs, fuel cost charges, forex adjustments, fewer units for the same money. Reality check. Kenya Power must recover its money, and when big customers don't pay, the pressure shifts to prepaid users. That's why tokens feel more expensive, units keep shrinking, bills are unpredictable. This is why solar is no longer a luxury. More Kenyans are choosing solar because no unpaid bills drama, no fuel cost surprises, no tariff hikes. Power even when the grid fails. When you install solar, you stop depending on a broken system and start controlling your energy costs. Install solar anywhere in Kenya. Nairobi, 0792 247 397, 07947 16562. Kisumu, 0792 245 589. info@powerafricasolar.com. Do you think counties should be disconnected like ordinary Kenyans when they don't pay? Yes or no?